Hello everyone, it's Beck and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a speed build for a gas station. You can see behind me here that I have already started it, but before I get into that, I just wanted to give you an update of what's been going on here on the island. I haven't made a video in about a week or so because I've just been busy with life and being a mum and all of that stuff. So honestly, I haven't really been up to that much at all. Now, I know I said when I started this island that I wasn't really too concerned about rushing to get to 3 stars, but I did need to unlock Reese and Cyrus on Halves Island because I have a ton of things that I needed to get customized. So I did have to do that last week. As you can see behind me, I have Huck on my island now. He was my first campsite villager. And then after that, I had to go and find 2 more villagers because you do need 8 to reach 3 stars. Now, this started off really well. I laid down a plot and on my 3rd ticket, I came across Bill, who is someone that I wanted on my island. And I was feeling pretty lucky, so I'm like, okay. I skipped forward to the next day, I moved him in, and then I went and bought another plot and laid that one down. And I couldn't find anybody. And then I forgot to change the time on my switch and my plot autofilled with Anka. So she lives here now. So I will have to kick her out at some point in the near future. But as you can see on my map here, I did do some waterscaping. I got rid of all of the rivers that were already here and I have started on a creek. I figured seeing as my island is called Wattle Creek, then I should build one, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I am not good at waterscaping. I tried this about 3 or 4 times and it wasn't working. So I left it and then I came back and I came up with this and I really like it. I'm going to lead it up to the back here. I'm going to knock down these cliffs and have it run into a lake, and that is where Tad is going to be living. And then over this side, I have my tent with bladders inside. I'm not going to be upgrading my museum, so I can't move it. This is just where it's going to have to stay. If I do want to move it sometime down the track, I will upgrade it and then I will just, I don't know, I'll hide it on the beach or something because I don't think I'm going to be decorating the beaches on this island. So this is the path that I'm going to be using. I actually found this on Discord. I was looking for something else and I'm pretty sure I looked up this creator code to look at a different design and found this road pattern. And I thought it was absolutely perfect for what I wanted to do. The only problem is that it takes up a ton of design slots. I'm already using 15 or 16 I should say. I only downloaded about half of them. There is a heap more still. So I'm just going to use what I've got for now and I'll see how I go, and I might download some more in the future. But I did make a little start on my gas station here because I just wanted to try and figure out exactly what size I wanted it to be and where I wanted it to go because I've never really done fake buildings before. This is a first for me, so I wanted to make sure I had everything set up first before I started the video. Otherwise it would have just been me doing this and doing that and constantly changing everything all the time. So I'm going to go ahead now and just do a bit of decorating and then I will have a bit of a chat to you about what I'm up to soon. When it came to doing the roof for the building, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I did try a couple of things off camera and I did decide on using the solar panels, but then once I'd done it here, I didn't really like it all of that much. So I ended up taking them down and I went with another idea that I had. So I've got the retro transportation stops backwards up the top. And then I thought it really needed some height, so I put some fencing up there. I just wanted to make it look like maybe there was a shed or something attached to the back of the gas station where Bill like works on cars or something. I don't know. Alright guys, so those few shots that I just shown you there, I thought the build was done at that point, but I did end up going back and doing some more work to it. Unfortunately, I put Bill's house one space away from where I wanted it to go, so I had to move it and then I had to move it back again, which was really annoying. I'm sure you all can feel my pain, everyone has gone through that, but yes, so I did that and I decorated his yard and I added a few more things throughout the whole entire build, so I will show you now what I got up to. So I do still have this area here at the end. I was thinking about doing a little seating area and putting in some drink machines and stuff like that. And then at the other end here, I'm going to be working on a train station, which I'm hoping that is going to be the next build and the next video that I do. So along here, I was planning on having a little ticket booth, and then along the back here is going to be the waiting area. And what I was going to do on the peninsula is I was going to build, I'm going to do some terraforming and have a bridge, not a bridge, what are those things? A ramp? The stairs. An incline leading up to an abandoned train track, because this island used to be connected to other islands with bridges, but unfortunately now they are all broken, and that is why this island is so messy and abandoned, because nobody lives here anymore. Alright guys, so that is it for today's build. Now, I want to apologise because there was quite a bit that I didn't show on camera. That's my fault. Sometimes I just have to play this game and do builds when I get the chance, and unfortunately that doesn't always coincide when I have a chance to actually record what I'm doing. But with this island, I do want to include you guys a lot more and do a lot more builds on camera and show you everything that I get up to. I feel like on my last island, I did a lot of it off camera when I could have done more on camera. How many times have I said camera? Anyway. But yes, that is it for today's build. I'm really happy with the way it turned out and I hope you like it too. I have to apologise for my voice. I think I'm getting sick again. Not happy, Jan. Not happy. Also, just before I go though, I do want to say thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to my channel. I recently hit 300, so woohoo! Thank you for all of the likes and comments and views that I've been getting on my videos. I really appreciate it. If you liked today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and hopefully I will see you next time. Bye!